Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Fawad Hussaini, and today I'm here with our another episode of Digital Drive for Google Classroom. And today we are going to talk about one important concern from teachers' perspective. When we work together in a Google Classroom with co-teachers, we get tons of emails notification coming to our inbox, and this makes certain times things very difficult for us to follow. So just let's have a look at what teachers face and what kind of concerns they have. So there is the one response or feedback I received from a teacher. It says the email inbox of my official email address is bombarded with notification of comments and postings for all the 10 subjects which I do not teach. In the last 10 hours, I have received more than 35 emails, out of which only 6 were of my subject. So you have seen here that he has also put the statistics like 82% of these notifications are not useful for him, while only 6 notifications were directly related to him. Let's have another look on another teacher's concern, like what he faced. He's also asking a question: is there any way to disable emails notifications from Google Classroom? Every announcement, post, message, and activity email is coming from everyone. So here we have identified that the teachers are actually looking for emails, but they want to have a filtered version of those emails. So what we need to do, you have to go to your Google Classroom page. This would appear something like this as it's appearing on my screen. And you don't need to go to individual class in order to have those settings. What you can do, you can head over to the top left side of your screen. You will find this 3 vertical lines icon. Click on this icon and go to the bottom. At the very last, you will find a setting icon. Click on this, and then you have this segment of notification. So this is the thing that can help you out in your problem. So the very first option is there, receive email notification. It is enabled. If you disable this option like this means I don't want to have any kind of notification. So there wouldn't be any kind of notification would be coming to your inbox. But if we consider the last case, like out of 40 emails, there were 6 were directly related to the teachers, and he wants to have those 6 emails. So if you disable this email notification, it means he's not going to get any kind of emails anymore from Google Classroom. So we don't want to disable it, but we want to filter out the information, and we are only interested in our own post and our own material. So let me just enable it again, and then I'm going to choose what I would like to receive. So this will be my own preference. So the first option, it says comments, the comments on your post. This means when we are going to post something in our Google Classroom, maybe certain materials, assignment, questions, and some students are going to respond or putting a comment on it. So you are going to get an email notification. So you will heads over to your Google Classroom and respond back to the student. So this is a good win thing. You must keep this enabled. The second is comment that mentions you. This means when the students wants to have a direct questions to you, he can put @ and then he may write the email ID of the teachers. So the teacher will be sent a notification and he can respond back to the students. Third one is the private comment on a work. If somebody wants to have a private communication with you, if you would like to enable it, you can. Otherwise, you can keep it disabled. Classes you are enrolled in, this is the second segment, and there you have information that is coming up from many other teachers. This is the place where you may not be very much interested in, or you want to cut off this emails from your inbox. So you can keep this out, work and other posts from the teachers. I'm not very much interested in it because this will give me too much emails and it will be very difficult for me to follow up with my own content and my students. Written work and grades from the other teachers, invitation to join classes as student. This one is important. You must need to understand it. If you are a part of certain other training programs where you are acting as a student, so you have to keep it enabled because otherwise you will not get this email notification in your inbox. So keep this one activated. Class you teaches and classes you teach. So there you have a few more options like whenever there are the late submissions, resubmission, even the invitation to co-teachers and schedule posts. So all these things, if you prefer, you would like to receive these information in your inbox, you can keep them enabled. Otherwise, you can keep them disabled. So this is how you have to filter out the information in your inbox, and you can filter out certain things based on your own preference. So I hope this will help you out in filtering out the information to gear up and continue your digital drive for the Google Classroom. Thank you very much for your time. Keep watching the videos. If you have any question and ambiguity, put it in a comment so I will respond back to you guys. Thank you very much.